This is Physics 30, Chapter 5, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to talk about momentum and impulse. So when we talk about momentum, we're talking about P equals mv, where the P stands for momentum, measured in kilograms multiplied by meters per second, kilogram meters per second. M stands for mass in kilograms, and V is the velocity measured in meters per second. So it's rather a simple equation. An example. How much momentum does a 100 kilogram football player have while running 8 meters per second? Using our equation, momentum equals mass times velocity, we can simply plug in the mass and velocity, and we'll get that the momentum is 800 kilogram meters per second. Impulse is defined as the change in momentum. An impulse can be calculated as force multiplied by change in time is going to be equal to the mass multiplied by the change in velocity. An example of this. How much force is required to stop a 1,000 kilogram car moving at 25 meters per second in a time of 1.5 seconds? Well, our equation says to multiply the force by the change in time. If we want that to happen in 1.5 seconds, that's going to be the change in time. Our mass is 1,000 kilograms. And the change in velocity, it's initially going 25 meters per second. We want it to stop, so it's going to go to 0 meters per second, meaning the overall change in velocity would be 25 meters per second. So plugging in what we know, the change in time is 1.5, 1,000 kilograms for the mass, and change in velocity will be 25. Multiplying the right-hand side together and then dividing by 1.5, we get that the force will be equal to 16,667 newtons. For practice work on this, we're going to look at a couple of questions on page 227. You can just choose a few of those to try.